Hello everyone, welcome to Handloom Stories. So today I'm going to show you some of my plant collections. This plant in my hand is known as a pink star plant. Its leaves resembles the leaves of a pineapple plant and it's very cute. It looks like a dwarf pineapple plant. Then I have a dwarf snake plant. This is also dwarf variety of ZZ. Actually, I have many dwarf varieties. I like the small plants. This is Monstera dansum. New shoots are just coming up. This is Peperomia, and I've kept two of its leaves in soil for propagation and one leaf in water along with the money plant for propagation, and also stem of it is also kept in water for propagation. Now I have to see which one of it gives a faster result, and I'll keep the result at the end of this video. These are the cuttings of the jade plant that I got while pruning the plant. So I've kept it for propagation as well. This is a succulent variety known as Sagan burrito. Actually, we can propagate these grape-like structures of the plant by just placing them on the soil and just spraying water once in a day. These are some of the same kept for propagation. Next to it is the Enjoy Pothos. I have kept a PVC pipe at the center and mounted it with a coir so that the plant can climb as they go. It will be very pretty. This is an Aurelia variety. I have got a small stem from my friend and I have kept for propagation. This is Devil's Backbone. This plant is needle grass. I have kept it in a terracotta bonsai pot. The pot itself is very beautiful. You have to keep this in a low shade area. Direct sunlight may harm the plant. Next, let's see how to prepare the potting mix. For this, we have to take the garden soil and add some amount of compost to it. And after that, mix it with coco peat. Coco peat helps to maintain the pH, specifically the acidic nature of the soil, and also help the soil to be softer, which enables the root to penetrate easily through the soil. Compost is added to ensure enough nutrients in the soil. These are a few terracotta pots that I got from a local market. I love terracotta pots. Who doesn't, right? Now above this drainage hole, we have to keep a stone or a marble piece so that water can creep through the hole. Place some dry leaves at the bottom of the pot as they are rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. Above this, add the prepared potting mix. Place the plant very gently into the soil so that their roots are not damaged. I don't usually fill the soil to the brim of the pot because in future if we have to add some fertilizers, there is some place left in the pot to do that. This is Peacock Calathea. It's quite pretty. This also should be placed in shades. Direct sunlight will harm them as well. Usually all the foliages like Aglaonema as well should be kept in a low shade area. Flowering plants are usually kept in direct sunlight, but these plants prefer low shade area, but not indoors, outdoors itself, but in a low shade area. In my collections, you can see more foliages than flowering plants because I like leafy plants more than flowers. But recently I've developed a like towards the flowering plants, so I've got a few. I'll show you later. If you don't have enough coco peat, you can also use this coconut husk portion to maintain the pH of the soil. This is the butterfly plant. I don't know its scientific name. Looks like a butterfly. I think it's called as butterfly plant. It's quite pretty. It has got bright purple color. This is a ground orchid variety. Now, while planting ground orchids or any kind of orchids, you have to always ensure that you have some charcoal and also coconut husk apart from coconut peat. The cocoa peat, so that the plant always remains in a humid condition. In order for orchids to thrive in a tropical area, especially like a region like Kerala, we always have to ensure a cold, moist environment for them. But too much of watering will also decay the plant. You have to be very careful about this orchid varieties. Now let's see all my plants after a few months. Needleclass have grown a lot. Now I'm replicating a few of the plants. Let's see how they have been through these months. Aglaonema has grown well. Orchids, see, they have some of the new shoots. This is how my butterfly is after few months. It has started flowering. Actually, I have two varieties of butterfly plant in the same pot. One is just the purple one, and the other one has a little bit of variations on their leaf surface. Calathea plant has also grown well. I don't know the name of this plant, but you can see little shoots coming up, right? This is a succulent variety. It's quite pretty, right? Spider plant. I don't know the name of this plant as well, but this plant has also got very beautiful spot-like variations on its surface. I have got three varieties of this plant. One is a brown color. Other one is a pale green color. And next again a brown color but a different plant. This is a mother snake plant. This is with me for past 3-4 years, I think. This is my very first plant that I brought. This is a baby alocasia plant. Next to it is the aloe vera. I use it for many purposes like skincare and hair care, etc. This is my bushy Aralia. I have this beautiful little plant. I don't know its name. It has got very pretty variations on its surface. Now let's see some of my flowering plants. This is Vinga rose variety, purple color. This is a flowering plant that I got from a nursery nearby. New buds are coming up. Now all those buds are bloomed into new beautiful flowers. This is another Vinga rose, white in color. Now these plants, I can say these all are my plants. It's been there in the yard for many years. Now let's get into our indoor plant varieties. This is a neon money plant. I've also kept a PVC pipe at the center wounded with the coconut coil, which helps the plant to climb. This is fiddle leaf fig. It has a broad greenish leaf. This is the best plant to give a greenery to your indoors. You can see new shoots just popping up. Ta-da! This is how it looks after a few months. See those baby leaves which are just popping out has grown this much. This is another variety of monstera known as Monstera delicosa. I've kept it indoors where I receive a bright indirect sunlight. See, new leaves are just popping out. For all my creeper plants, I have provided a PVC pipe at the center of the pot so that these plants can creep through. Actually, they need a rough surface to creep through. That's why I have provided all these coil wounded around these PVC pipes. This is a dwarf variety of bamboo plant. Again, a pretty indoor plant. You should be very careful by watering these indoor plants. Water them only if the soil is dry. You have to check the top of the soil to see whether the soil is dry. It's been a while since I purchased this cute planter, but I haven't find a cute enough plant to put in this. So if you guys have any suggestions like what plant should I plant in this planter, please mention that in my comment box. See you next video.